Hello everyone, it's Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life. Welcome to May I Scrap Lift You. So this is the series by Crystal from Pineapple Papers. She does it every May and it's so much fun. You really get to be inspired by all the amazing talent that is out there and create some layouts based off of things, other layouts and projects that you have seen that you want to give a try to. I'm going to do it just a little bit different this round. I normally don't get to play very often, and I'm not sure how much I'm actually going to get done, but I am getting close to being semi-done with the Sunkissed collection. I've made, I think, 5 layouts. Hopefully they're popping up as I'm talking. And the way I use a collection, I always create layouts that I want to create kind of my own idea-ish, you know, and then I go online and I search to see what inspires me, what other people have done with the collection, and if I have any of those products left, I use them and kind of scrap lift them with what I have left. So that's kind of my plan. And that being said, there was a few papers. I have hardly touched these 12 by 12 papers. I think I've used 3 of them because they're so pretty and I've seen so many gorgeous layouts with them. And there's a few that I really wanted to highlight, and I will go through them every video to show you which one that is. But I think there's about 4 of them. So there's one that's featuring that gorgeous, I'll show you the full sheet of it, the gorgeous rainbow paper. I've seen quite a few really neat takes on that. So I wanted to give that one a shot in scrap lifting. There's a beautiful one I saw taking this pattern and then doing some fringe cutting, and I would love to give that a shot. This paper is just gorgeous and I just love it, so I'm always willing to find a way to use that. But there is one more. For this one, it's really just fussy cutting this out and using it as added layers to my projects. And then of course there is this gorgeous piece of pattern paper that has had so many amazing different projects used with it, and I'm just so inspired. I love the bright colors, I love the rainbows, I love it all. So that is my plan for May, and my goal is just to kind of kill this collection and share with you what I found through Instagram or on Pinterest to go ahead and scrap lift all the lovely creators that have already used this collection and finish it up. So you can see I have most of the 12 by 12 papers. I've got a few of the 6 by 8. I have most of the clear stickers. I have a good chunk of the Project Life cards. I have a little bit of embellishment. Most of them are the food related ones and a couple of the swimsuits. I have a few of these cute little buttons left, some puffy stickers, a little tiny bit of the floral that you can't even see because they're all in backwards. I have just a little bit of that left. I've used a ton. I had 2 packages of the floral when I started. Got a good decent amount of stickers, and then I've got a few of the really pretty gold stickers to play with as well. So that is going to be my game plan and kind of my how to kill a kit with style, I suppose we could say, for the month of May, and I'm just really excited to get going and have fun. So my first video should be up hopefully tomorrow, which is Monday the 2nd. I will not be playing every single day. My goal is definitely to get 1 video a week up, and if I can get more, that's great, but if not, that's okay as well. And I'm not saying that I won't have other scrap lifts with other collections and other things being used as well, but this is what I'm highlighting. All right, thank you everyone so much for watching, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.